In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make OneDrive start automatically on Bootup for Windows. This process is quick and easy, so let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open the Task Manager on your computer. There are a couple of ways to do this, but I'll mention the most straightforward ones. The first method is by pressing the Ctrl, Shift, and S keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This is a direct shortcut that will transport you straight to the Task Manager. However, if you're more comfortable with searching for things, you can also click on the Windows search bar, type in Task Manager, and select it from the list that appears. Either way will get you to the same place, so choose the method that feels best for you. Once you've got the Task Manager open, you'll see several tabs at the top of the window. Go ahead and click on the Startup tab. This tab is crucial because it houses all of the programs that are set to start automatically when your computer boots up. Here, you'll see a list of applications along with some information like the publisher and the startup status, which will tell you if the app is enabled or disabled. What we're looking for here is Microsoft OneDrive, so scroll through the list until you find OneDrive. Now, if you observe that OneDrive's status is listed as disabled, what you'll need to do is enable it. To do this, simply click on the application to highlight it, and then look toward the lower right corner of the Task Manager window. You should see an Enable button there. Clicking this button will change OneDrive's status to Enabled, which means it will now automatically start every time you boot up your computer. And that's it, you're all set. OneDrive will now launch automatically when you start your computer, eliminating the need to open it manually each time. This is particularly helpful if you rely on OneDrive for daily file backups, storage, or need quick access to your documents without any extra steps. Just to recap, all you had to do was open the Task Manager, navigate to the Startup tab, locate Microsoft OneDrive, and enable it if it was disabled. Hopefully this makes managing your files and accessing them a bit more convenient in your day-to-day activities. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful. Feel free to subscribe or watch our other tutorials for more tech tips and tricks. Have a great day.